Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how the Great Discovery is breaking barriers of language, distance, and cost. This allows you to access the knowledge, expertise, and wisdom of the world's top professionals, creators, and teachers right at your fingertips. You'll discover the innovative ways we make education accessible, engaging, and affordable for everyone, whether you're a student, professional, or lifelong learner. We give you unlimited power to learn, earn, and grow through our unique Earn While You Learn model, unlocking doors to new opportunities and endless possibilities. And with our groundbreaking AI-powered lip sync translation technology, you'll be able to learn naturally from global experts, teachers, and influencers in your own language, no matter where they're from. By the end of this video, you'll have an exciting new path to powerful knowledge. Whether it's gaining new skills, growing your career, or exploring your passions, all while being part of a global community of learners. Welcome to the Great Discovery, where learning has no boundaries. At the Great Discovery, our mission is to unlock human potential on a global scale like never before. We're revolutionizing education by breaking down barriers of language, geography, and cost, connecting everyone to the knowledge and skills they need to thrive in our rapidly evolving world. Whether you're a student in Mumbai learning robotics from a Tokyo engineer, a professional in Sao Paulo mastering data science from a Silicon Valley expert, or a teacher in Nairobi exploring ancient history with an Egyptologist at the Pyramids of Giza, the Great Discovery makes it possible. Our AI voice translation makes learning in any language easy, and our two-way live translation also makes it possible to speak to people in different languages in real time. The Great Discovery is a global classroom where everyone can learn from anyone, anywhere, at any time. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, seminars, workshops, live coaching, or any other form of digital learning, you can find it on the Great Discovery. And here's something exciting. Our unique Earn While You Learn model empowers you to offset education costs and even build careers by sharing knowledge. From nurturing young minds with our kids' content to providing cutting-edge professional development, the Great Discovery is transforming lives and organizations. Are you ready to join us in this journey of endless possibilities, where every day brings a new opportunity for discovery and growth? While the internet offers endless entertainment, it often falls short in delivering education that is high quality, engaging, reliable, and customized to fit the needs of each learner. Traditional education systems, meanwhile, are struggling to keep up with the pace of change, leaving students drowning in debt and unprepared for the modern world. The Great Discovery is a breakthrough in education, communication, and learning, empowering humanity in ways never before possible. Whether you're looking to educate your children, advance your career, explore a new passion, or simply satisfy your curiosity, we offer the best teachers, resources, and community to help you achieve your goals. Our AI-powered language translation breaks down barriers, allowing you to learn from experts worldwide in your native language. Our affordable pricing and Earn While You Learn model make quality education accessible to everyone, and our expansive library of content covers virtually every subject imaginable. Curious about what courses we offer? Click the Browse Courses, explore our extensive catalog. Our kids' content and homeschooling resources nurture the next generation of learners, while our flexible, always up-to-date courses ensure your learning journey remains relevant and seamlessly integrates into your life as you achieve new milestones and pursue your goals. Are you a parent looking to give your child a head start, or a professional aiming to stay ahead in your field? We have something for everyone. But perhaps most importantly, the Great Discovery offers something that traditional education often lacks: a sense of wonder and excitement about learning. We believe that education should be a journey of discovery, filled with aha moments and the thrill of uncovering something new. When was the last time you felt truly excited about learning? Let's reignite that passion together. Education in today's world needs to be global, engaging learners from every corner of the planet. It should reflect our collective potential and harness humanity's capacity to collaborate and make a positive impact through shared knowledge and experiences. The Great Discovery embodies this vision by breaking down barriers and creating opportunities for everyone to contribute to and benefit from the global exchange of knowledge, ideas, epiphanies, inspirations, and great discoveries. So are you ready to embark on your next learning adventure? We invite you to join us on the Great Discovery. Explore new courses, connect with our global community, and begin your journey to your next discovery. What will you learn today? Don't wait another moment to start your learning journey. Click the Get Started button now to sign up for your first course. Discover your greatness at thegreatdiscovery.com. Your next discovery is just a click away.